So what is, this is a literary imagery which uses different visual and descriptive elements. Example of this one, I Wandered as a Lonely Cloud by William Wordsworth. Ang pinaka-challenge namin doon, you know what? Ang pinaka-challenge namin doon, you know what? Next, the use of different descriptions and images that appeals to the reader's sense of taste. Example, this is Just to Say by Carlos William. I-apply na lang natin. Dahil kailangan sa tayo kung exam ni Miss, 7 items ra. Okay, next. The use of various audio, sound, musical elements. Sa'yo na kayo imagery. Use of sound, audio, musical elements describes what the readers touch or feel. The use of imagery that allows the reader to feel the sense of motion or movement. Kinesthetic imagery. Poetic use of words or expressions that make the readers feel and experience different organic emotions na yung feel. Di ka sentence. Ka-sentence, senses. It's your invention. Describes, this is the use of poetic imagery to allow the readers to smell. Olfactory. Basin o maingon si Miss mga iyang exam kay ato ang i-classify ang mga examples, ato i-categorize ang mga examples. They are gustatory, tactile. So, si I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud, by William Wordsworth. To Autumn by John Keats. Category, dumagyan si Autumn. Say gustatory imagery. This is Just to Say by Carlos William. Tactile imagery, Still to Autumn by John Keats. Olfactory imagery, Rain by H.W. Longfellow. Kinesthetic imagery, I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud by William Wordsworth. And organic imagery, Robert Frost's Birches. Kana. Pag-judge, hindi nila lang ihandaan kung sa ang mga examples para para ka lang i-familiarize ba? Udlo! Kinsali. Sulit din.